Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making Irish nachos. Now, the reason I'm making this is because St. Patrick's Day is next week, and I'm gonna have some people over, and I'm gonna make this for them, and it's really good. So let's hope they like it. So it is 6 simple ingredients. So let's get right to it. So first, you have your 4 cups of organic kettle cooked potato chips. I have the Siete ones. They're amazing, best in class. They're cooked with avocado oil. The 2 types of oil that the really good potato chips can be cooked in is avocado oil or olive oil. And any other oil like canola oil is really bad and it can clog your arteries. Okay, now you have 1 to 1.5 cups of organic cheddar cheese. You have half a cup of crumbled bacon. You have a cup and 1 big beefsteak tomato just chopped up into little squares, and then you have 1/4 a cup of chives. Now you put your kettle cooked potato chips in your bowl and with parchment paper underneath, and just to layer the bottom. Then you take some of your cheese and let's put it on top. And this is great because it's 6 simple ingredients and it tastes really good. Okay, now we put our crumbled bacon on top and we just sprinkle that on there. Okay. Now we put it in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes until the cheese melts. And I already have one ready. And it is looking good. Now, since the cheese melted, now what we do is we take our sour cream and we get a dollop of that right in the middle. There we go. Then we take some of our chives and just sprinkle it on there. That looks good. Then we take some of our tomatoes and we just put them on there. And that looks really good. Here's the final product. Now let's try. These nachos are looking really good. Let's get a scoop of sour cream, get a chive, and let's get a tomato. That is really good. It tastes amazing. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more of my videos. Bye, guys.